In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a funnel to sell your products with systeme.io. This process will help you efficiently set up a sales funnel, which is crucial for streamlining your sales process and boosting conversions. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your systeme.io account. Head over to the login page where you'll enter your credentials. Make sure to keep your login information safe to protect your account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on sign in. This will take you straight to the dashboard where all the magic happens. You'll be spending a lot of time here as you build and refine your funnel. Now on your systeme.io dashboard, hover your cursor over the websites tab. A drop down menu will appear and from there click on sales funnels. This is where we're going to create a new funnel dedicated to selling your products. This feature is incredibly robust and will serve as the backbone of your sales strategy. To start creating, click on the create button. Here you'll be prompted to type in the preferred name for your funnel. Choose a name that accurately represents the products you're intending to sell, as this will help keep everything organized. After you've named your funnel, click on the sell option. You'll also need to choose your preferred currency from the available options. This is an important step as it determines how customers will see prices, affecting their buying decisions. With the initial setup complete, don't forget to click on save. This ensures all your information is securely stored, preventing any data loss. Saving regularly is a good practice as you make progress through different stages. Now click on the name of the funnel you have just created. This will bring up a new view where we can add more details. Here click on add step to create additional funnel stages. Type in a specific name for this step to keep your process clear and organized. You'll then want to set the type of this step by selecting sales page. It's a vital component of your funnel where you present your products in the best light possible. Remember to hit save after each significant change. At this point, you'll be able to select a template for your sales page. Choose one that aligns well with your brand's aesthetics and messaging. Then click edit page to customize it further. Feel free to include images and detailed descriptions of your products to attract potential customers. Once your edits are complete, hit save again. Proceed to the order form page, select your desired template, make any necessary edits by clicking edit page, and save those changes. Finally, navigate to the thank you page. Select a template that reflects your appreciation to customers. This page is a great opportunity to reinforce your brand's message. After making any edits, click save. With that, you've successfully created a sales funnel using systeme.io. You're now equipped with a powerful tool to convert your audience into satisfied customers. Happy selling!